Hey, what is up guys? BlueThunder here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to ride the sand seal for absolutely free. Alright, this is not really a glitch or a hack, it's actually something the developers intended you to do, but they never really give you a solid picture on how to do it, so that's what I'm going to be explaining today, and yeah. So like, I know you guys want a fast and simple answer, you don't want a 10-minute video to explain a 30-second thing, so that's what I'm going to do. Essentially, you just sneak up on it. Make sure it's not facing you. You're gonna have to go very, very slow, and you're gonna just sneak up on it. You might have to stop and kind of like do this start walk thing towards the end. You'll see me do that here in a second. But yeah, it's pretty easy. You have to do it every time, sadly. And then, of course, once you get into the city, there's always an option to rent one, but that is a complete waste of money, and I would never do that. I would just take an extra 2 minutes out of my day, just to, 1 minute out of my day just to sneak up on it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. And see, I'm doing this like start walk thing right now, and then I grab it and I ride it, and it's pretty easy. But I'm gonna show you something else real quick too. Alright, so this next part is kind of hard to see, I apologize for that, but essentially what you do is you see that pink line in the corner. Well, the more you move, the louder you are. That's your noise level. The more noise you make, the easier it is for it to detect you. So you gotta crouch, sometimes taking off your boots help, and the slower you walk, and if you do that start-stop thing, it's gonna be the less noise you make. When you're doing the start-stop thing, it should be pretty much next to no noise at all, and it shouldn't really detect you at all, so you shouldn't have a problem with that. And yeah, that's what you do. So hopefully this video helped, and if you guys enjoyed, then please consider leaving a like and subscribing, because well, I'm stuck in my house. Coronavirus is going on, and I can't even pay for college, and I'm not going to right now, so it's pretty harsh. But yeah, I'll see you guys.